EzAlgo V.11 and EzOscillator V.6 are now live. All right, these are the new updates in the EzAlgo trading indicator. I'm super excited to go over these updates with you guys. We have added something that I have not seen done before on any TradingView indicators. I'm going to jump into all of the new features here shortly. But before we get into that, if you guys don't have EzAlgo yet, click the first link in the description below and use the code AI30 for 30% off your first month. So what's new in the update? All right, as you can see, the algo looks very, very smooth. We've tried to make this as clean and as visually appealing as possible. Now, this isn't just for the aesthetic aspect of things, right? We actually made this very visually appealing to remove the noise and to remove the clutter when you're trading. When you're trading, you need to have a clear mind in order to execute trades to the best of your ability. So to start, we're gonna go into the settings here. We're gonna start off with the buy and sell signals. So as opposed to last update where we had this little emblem down here, we've actually changed it to this very clean circle. So these circles are gonna be your final confirmation to buy and sell. Now, it's not always recommended to trade solely off of the buy and sell signals. Only take these signals when price is at a key level and when you have other confluences in mind. Now, we've separated the buy and sell into two different categories. We have the standard signals and the AI signals. We've actually added true artificial intelligence to the algorithm, something that we've been working on for months and months now, which I'll get into in one moment. But to start, we have the standard signals, which are the circles that I had just gone over. And there's three signal types. So in previous updates, we had a sensitivity. We removed the sensitivity and we just have the three modes. So by default, it's going to be on smooth. All right, smooth is the recommended signal type. It is exactly what it says it is. You'll have these very smooth signals, not too frequent, but not too delayed, kind of right in the middle, right in that sweet spot. We also have a fast option. You'll notice when we change it to fast that the signals appear a little bit sooner. We're gonna wait for this to finish loading. So you'll notice that the signals appear a little bit sooner, right? So a little bit more accurate. The only downside to the fast signals is that occasionally you'll get signals like this, right? You'll get these false signals, which obviously you're bound to get a false signal eventually. But with the fast signals, the frequency of the signals is a lot higher. Now, this can be very, very useful for finding an entry on a lower time frame. You can see that when price action is smooth, these signals are on the money. And if you were to just take each signal at a key level with other confluences, you'd be doing pretty well. And finally, the last option, which is the swing option. So this is for swing trading on a higher time frame. A 4-hour and above time frame is kind of what you want to be using the swing signals for. You can use it on a lower time frame, but as you can see, the signals are a little bit more delayed, so it waits for a little bit more confirmation. However, if you're on a lower time frame, you might miss a good portion of your entry just by waiting for that signal to confirm. But you can see overall, the signals are very, very smooth and very, very accurate, and we've only made them better in this update. Now below that, we have the signals offset. That's how far away the circle is from the actual candle. So just a stylistic change here. And by the way, you can actually change it from the circle to whatever you want. If you like the old previous labels, you can change it to the previous labels here in the style tab. All right, below that, we have the AI signal. So this is my favorite feature in the new update. So the artificial intelligence signals are these triangles that you see here on your chart. Now, what are these signals based off of, and how can you use them to their best capabilities? Look how many signals we have, right? We have a bunch of AI signals and price goes up, right? So you'll notice that these signals are extremely accurate in trending markets. Now, do they work in ranging markets? Yes, they do. However, these are best used in a trending market when you have a daily bias, and they work especially well with other confluences. And I'll give you a perfect example of how you can use these AI signals to your benefit. So right here, you see that we got some AI sell signals, and then we see that strong move down. Price loses this support zone, right? You'll notice price loses this support zone. We come back up to test this zone. We're gonna change the signals to fast in this case. So right here, you'll notice that we reject underside test of that support level that we had previously lost. And then we get that EzAlgo sell signal with that mild sell signal on the EzOscillator. Now, if you did not enter here, maybe you're waiting for some more confirmation. You see this double top here, another rejection from this level, and then you get the AI sell signal. This can be your entry with your stop loss above this resistance zone. You'll also notice that we're retesting the trend cloud, which is another confluence I'll be getting into, and you can target the support zone down here. Here is another great example of price in an uptrend. You can see we've broken structure to the upside. We're making higher highs and higher lows, and we're getting some AI buy signals telling you that price can go up. You'll also notice that the trend cloud has flipped blue. So maybe you want to set your stop loss right below this trend cloud, and you can target this liquidity up here. Now, if we go back further in price action, you'll see just how accurate these signals are at calling local tops and bottoms in trending markets. And keep in mind, I'm on the 30-minute time frame. These signals work best on a 1 hour and below time frame. Now, they still work on higher time frames, but you'll notice that these signals work best on a lower time frame and can help you find that entry with other confluences. So you see, each time we get these AI signals, it marks a local bottom and price moves up. Again, you don't want to use these signals by themselves, but they are very useful, especially in combination with the EzOscillator and the EzAlgo buy and sell signals. So again, we get some more AI buy signals, price goes up. Retest the trend cloud, AI buy signal, price goes up. Finally, the trend flips bearish and we get some AI sell signals, price goes down. Some more sell signals, price goes down before we finally reclaim the trend. And then we get the AI signals pointing to the upside. And look how strong this trend is, right? AI signals, price goes up. AI signal, price goes up. AI signal, price goes up, AI signal, price goes up. But again, use in confluence with the EzAlgo support and resistance zones and the standard buy and sell signals. Also, I'm editing this video and I just realized I didn't go over the AI strength. So by default, the AI strength is going to be moderate, but if you want to show only the stronger levels, you can change the AI strength to strong. As you can see, it got rid of some of the AI signals and it will only show the signals that are strong. If you want to increase the strength even more, you can change it to strongest. And it will only show the strongest signals when the probability is the highest. So like I said, by default, the AI signals will be moderate. Feel free to change this to strong or strongest. Just note that when you increase the strength, you will see less signals, but these signals will be more accurate. All right, let's go down to the multi-time frame support and resistance zones. These have not changed since the previous updates. We have fixed some glitches, so these levels should work on any asset. I know a few users had trouble last update with these levels not working on certain Forex pairs. We have finally fixed that. As you can see, I'm on the 30-minute time frame using the 1 hour levels. If I want to toggle the 4 hour support and resistance levels, I can do so as well. As you can see here, we have the 4 hour resistance zones and the 1 hour resistance zones. What you'll be looking for is confluence. So in this case, I see we have a strong 4 hour support zone overlapping this 1 hour support zone. So I know that this general zone is going to be where I want to look for long positions, and we get a bullish divergence on a lower time frame with that EzAlgo buy signal, which would be your entry. Your first take profit can be this EzAlgo resistance zone right here. So support and resistance are the most important aspect of your trading. Horizontal levels have been the pinnacle of classical charting, and that is for a reason, all right? Using past price action to predict future moves is how you actually profit in the market. So always include support and resistance in any trading strategy that you may have. Now, a few people have asked me what my favorite settings are as far as the support and resistance goes. If I'm on an hour or below time frame, I'll use the 1 to 2 hour levels. However, if I'm on a 2 to 4 hour time frame, I like to use the 6 hour support and resistance levels. I find that the 6 hour levels are about as accurate as can be. And I'll show you in one moment here. Now, granted, I am on the 30-minute time frame, but like I said, if I go to a 1 hour time frame, you'll notice that the 6 hour levels will give you this very nice range in mind. And these are the key levels to take trades at. All right, below that, we have the auto golden pocket. Now, you guys know I love incorporating the golden pocket into my trading strategies. It is one of my main trading strategies. Essentially with this, what you're looking for is confluence. So if I see that I have a golden pocket lined up with a support or resistance level that I'm looking to take a trade at, it gives me even more confidence to take a trade once price approaches that level. Now, in this example, in this current price action, I see we have a 4 hour bearish golden pocket. There's not a resistance level around this golden pocket. However, I do see this local high right around here. So this is enough confluence for me to take a potential trade at. I can see price come up to this level, grab this liquidity, creating a swing failure pattern of this level. And as soon as price goes above and comes back down below this level, I'll look to take a short position. So the auto golden pocket is very useful. It consists of the 0.618 and 0.65 Fibonacci retracement levels. I've already made tons and tons of videos on the golden pocket, so I won't cover it much in this video, but again, a great added confluence, and I'd highly recommend using this in your trading strategy as well. Below that, we have the candle coloring, which colors these candles these very nice blue and gray. If you want to change it under the style tab, you can. And we also have the trend cloud, which is a new feature added to the EzAlgo V.11. Now this works best on a higher time frame. A 3 to 4 hour time frame is kind of like the sweet spot with the trend cloud, and it will simply show you the overall trend of the market. You'll notice here on Solana, the trend cloud flips bearish, sell signals here are valid. We get the EzOscillator mild sell signal, price testing that trend cloud, and an EzAlgo sell signal, which would be your short entry. Finally, we flip bullish. The trend cloud is blue, so now longs are valid. You'll see price goes below the trend cloud. This is pure manipulation. So when price is in a bullish trend and price comes below the trend cloud, you can look for long positions. You can see that the oscillator is also oversold, and then we get that buy signal. In this case, you'd probably want to use the swing signals for the buy and sell signals for a little bit more confirmation, and price explodes to the upside. And here you can see the AI signals really start to play out. Some bullish AI signals in an uptrend, price goes up, more bullish signals, price goes up, more bullish signals, price goes up. So you kind of get how this works. Price tests this trend cloud. We get an EzOscillator mild buy signal right here. That could be your basis for entry. Stop loss below, swing low, targeting this resistance level. Again, price comes, tests this trend cloud. We get a buy signal, price goes up. Price tests this trend cloud, price goes up. And now we're currently testing this trend cloud once again. So I'll be looking for some bullish follow through here to enter a long position, maybe go down to the 1 hour time frame using the 4 hour levels. And we also have a trend line confirmation. So this would be a good basis for entry here on the 1 hour time frame. So the trend cloud consists of a few different EMAs in the form of this very nice ribbon, this very nice cloud that is extremely well respected. In total, it's made up of 4 different EMAs combined into this cloud. So it's nothing too crazy, but it is a nice added confluence. For those of you that like using EMAs, I'd urge you to remove your current EMAs and try this trend cloud and let me know what you guys think. Below that, we have the standard moving averages. Nothing has changed since last update. Pretty self-explanatory. Below that, we have the reversal bands. Again, nothing has changed with the reversal bands. However, we have removed the reversal signals in this update. The reversal bands work best in ranging markets. As you can see, when you're in a clear uptrend, price will rarely come down and touch these bottom bands. You can see, however, we did reject off of these reversal bands right around here. And you can see price tags the reversal bands, makes a move to the upside, tags the reversal bands, makes a move to the upside. Again, I am on a smaller time frame. I'm trying to show you guys how it looks in a somewhat ranging market. Bounces from the bands, rejects to the upside, bounces from the reversal bands up here, makes a move down, bounces from the bands again, price moves up. Now, these reversal bands are non-repaint. A lot of the reversal bands that you'll find, or something similar that you'll find on TradingView, are repaint. None of our indicators that we use are repaint. Nothing has changed since the last update with the trend dashboard. Now let's move on to the oscillator. Now the oscillator is the exact same as the previous version. However, we've added these mild buy and sell signals. And if you zoom in on the oscillator, you'll see them right around here. As you can see, we have a mild buy right here, marking this local bottom, a mild sell signal confirmed on this candle, more mild buy signals here, etc. So these are when the wave trend flips near the overbought and oversold zones. So you're still going to need other confirmations to enter a trade, but this will give you an idea that, hey, the wave trend is flipping. We might see a trend reversal in the near future. So look for other confluences to go long or short. The goal of the EzAlgo indicators is to give you guys the maximum amount of confluence. Don't rely on one separate indicator or strategy within the EzAlgo bundle. Instead, use all of our inputs together as confluence. Trading is a game of probability, and the more confluences you stack, the higher the chances of you being a profitable trader. All right, now let's go into alerts. So if you guys want to set alerts for the algo or the oscillator, press whichever indicator you like to set an alert for. In this case, I'll do the algo V.11. And we have tons of alerts. If you want to set alert for an AI buy or sell signal, price at support or resistance, price at golden pocket, price breaks resistance, etc. Same thing with the oscillator. We have a ton of alerts as well. Make sure it's set to once per bar close before you set the alert, and then press create. Now, along with these updates, we have a 30-page PDF going through everything I've just mentioned and some other key things to note with the new updates, which will be available in the Pro Discord. We also have a ton of new trading strategies on the way using the new updates. So like I said, if you don't have the indicator yet, click the first link below and use code AI30 for 30% off your first month. Now, other than these updates, we have a major update coming out before the end of the year for everyone in Easy Trades, even the free members. So make sure to stay tuned. We have some huge news dropping very, very shortly. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know your thoughts on the new updates down below, and I'll see you guys next video.